Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's make some Santa cupcakes. Oh, isn't he cute? Start with any cupcake of your choice and add some buttercream frosting on the top. We want a thin, smoothed out layer covering the entire top. Remove the excess from the edges. Now for some skin-coloured fondant icing. Flour a surface and roll it out. We want it quite thin. Using a cookie cutter, we're going to cut out 4 circles for our cupcakes. Carefully peel them off the surface and place them on top of the buttercream icing, using your fingers to press them down. Next, we're going for red fondant icing. Rolling it out and using your cookie cutter once again to cut out 4 circles. These are going to be Santa's hat. Use your cookie cutter to cut out a large crescent shape from each circle and then paint on some water to stick it onto one side of your cupcake. Using the same cookie cutter, we're going to cut out a shape like so from the remaining red fondant icing of your circle. And again, using water, stick it onto your hat. Now for some white fondant icing. Roll it out. Once again, cutting out 4 circles. And making some very slim crescent shapes this time. That is going to be the rim of Santa's hat, so again using water to stick it on and trim off the excess. Brilliant! We've got some more white fondant icing which we've rolled into a small ball, and that is going to be the bobble on the end of Santa's hat. Cute! Now with the rest of the white fondant icing, we're going to use the same cookie cutter to cut out a large crescent shape once again, and then we're going to cut out some triangles from one side. This is going to be stuck on with water for Santa's beard, pressing it down with your fingers. Now for some more skin-coloured fondant icing to do a little bit of detail on Santa's face. We want to roll out 3 small balls. One bigger than the other 2, and the 2 smaller ones need to be slightly flattened, using water to stick the bigger ball on as the nose, and the 2 flattened ones as Santa's cheeks. Aww. Now let's get some white fondant icing and make his moustache. Cutting out shapes like so. We want 2, 1 for each side, and sticking it onto his beard, right under his nose, making sure they meet right in the middle. Then use a cocktail stick to poke a hole in for Santa's mouth. Black writing icing going on next for his eyes. His eyes are going to be closed in a happy smile. And finally, some pink edible glitter going on his cheeks, so he's nice and rosy and warm. And there you have it, a very happy Santa cupcake. Amazing! Santa cupcakes. Enjoy!